Hello everyone, today we will see 17th lesson, circle, chord and arc. Very first we will see about what is meant by circle. A circle is a set of points equidistant from the fixed point in a plane. The fixed point is called as the center of the circle. Means here O is the center of the circle and the fixed distance is called fixed distance from center of the circle to circle is called as the radius of the circle. Here segment OC is the radius of the circle. Okay, then the radius is also segment joining the center and any point of the circle. Segment which joining the center and any point of the circle, that is called as the radius R. Then a chord is a segment. Here AB is the chord. Now diameter. Diameter is the chord which passes through the center of the circle. AB is the diameter and half of the diameter is the radius, or 2 times radius is called as the diameter. Okay, then what is meant by arc? An arc is a part of circle. The measure of an arc is equal to the measure of its corresponding central angles. There are 3 types of arc: minor arc, major arc and semicircular arc. In this figure when we observe, arc AZY is the minor arc and arc ACY is the major arc and XAY is the semicircular or semicircle. Measure of the circle is 360 degree. Then measure of semicircle is 180 degree and measure of minor arc is less than measure of 180 degree and measure of major arc, this major arc, is more than 180 degree. Now we will see some properties based on the center of the circle and their chord and perpendicular. Okay, first property, the perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to its chord bisect the chord. Means here segment OM is perpendicular drawn on segment AB. AB is a chord. Okay, O is the center, segment AB is the chord and segment OM is perpendicular to chord AB. Therefore, length AM is equal to length MB and is equal to half of the length AB. Okay, suppose length AB is 8 cm, then length AM is equal to 4 cm, also length MB is equal to 4 cm. Then second property, the segment joining the center of a circle and midpoint of its chord is perpendicular to the chord. Means the measure of OMA is 90 degree and measure of OMB is also 90 degree. Here O is the center of circle, segment AB is the chord and OM is a perpendicular bisector to chord AB. Okay, got it? With the help of this we will solve our 17.1